What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Second Take, where I talk tech and I speak sports. Today's topic of the day is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. Now, this watch actually comes in two different variants and a couple different colors. So you can get this in a 41 millimeter. You can also get it in a 45 millimeter sizes, which is what we have here, the 45 millimeter. The colors, you can get Mystic Bronze, you can get Mystic Black, and you can get what I have here, Mystic Silver. Now, as far as screen sizes, you have a 1.2 on the 41 millimeter, and you have a 1.4 on the 45 millimeter. So this one is the bigger one. So if you got big wrists or you just like a big watch face, this is the one you want to get. So let's see what's in the box actually here really quickly. It looks like you got a bunch of books here. I'm probably not going to go through the books as usual, just kind of learn on my own. All right, so really nice, clean white packaging on everything. But here you're getting a cord. This is actually to charge your actual watch. You're gonna have to supply the plug for yourself. Let's kind of open this up. It's really difficult, making my life hard. All right, so you have your little, kind of like your Qi charger here, I would say. And then you have your you have your USB port type A there. All right, let's get all that to the side. You have some quick start guides. You got some terms and conditions. And then you have the watch. Nothing else here on the box. But that's what the watch looks like fresh out of the box. I would say it looks really nice. I really like the watch. Really light. But this is what the watch looks like. Nice band. Doesn't feel like might be real leather. Not sure. But I really like this silver look. Really looks good. Now, this is IPX certified. This glass here is actually Gorilla Glass. It's Gorilla Glass DX. It's a Super AMOLED display. Doesn't look like we have any power here, so we'll just go without the power. But has an always on display. Has this cool rotating bezel. See if you can hear that. Really cool rotating bezel, which is something I like on the Galaxy smartwatches. Has a blood pressure monitor, has an ECG monitor. It runs on Tizen, which is Samsung's version of an operating system, 5.5. It has 8 gigabytes of storage, 1 gigabyte of memory, has Bluetooth 5.0, has Qi wireless charging. So really nice out of the box, I would say, for this watch. So I did go ahead and buy some different watch bands. This one is actually not something I purchased. This one actually came with my old Galaxy S3 Frontier. I bought the white, I bought a red, and I bought a blue, so all American, but these are really cool. I'll leave a link up in the description to Amazon where you can get these, but these are really easy to change. I don't know if you can see, right there is a button, but that button, once you press it, it's like a little pull down. So it kind of slides a little bit, but they come off really easy. But there's the back side. So you have the Samsung. These are all your sensors as far as your heart rate monitor, your blood oxygen. So really nice watch. I'm going to charge this up and get this going. But this is a quick unboxing for this watch. Obviously, you can use your imagination. See what it looks like with the white. And see what it looks like with the red. And of course, you can see it with the black. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you on the next one.